Hello and welcome. I hope you are having a fantastic day. Today we're going to talk about cryptocurrency news. Fidelity will start crypto trading and custody very soon. So let's get right into this. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. I am not smarter than you. You are smarter than you realize. Do not trust what I say. Always do your own research. And that's important. Anytime you're making an investment, you need to check it out for yourself. A, so you have more information, and B, if something was inaccurate that I said in this video, you may be able to discover that by doing your own research. And so it's always best to do that, because even though I'm trying to do my best to give you accurate and truthful information, sometimes I'll miss it. Plus, some things will have been, new information will come out over time. And so by the time you're watching this video, there may be new information or things may have changed from when I recorded the video. And so always do your own research to make sure you're getting the most recent and most relevant information for you to make good decisions. So in the Financial Times, as of November 19th, 2019, that wasn't that long ago. Today is November 25th, 2019 when I'm recording this. Fidelity wins Bitcoin trading and custody license in New York. So that's a significant thing. Fidelity has been working on getting this license for quite a while, and for New York to finally give them the thumbs up, that's great news. That's a great thing. Fidelity has been granted a trust license to offer trading and custody of Bitcoin by the New York State Department of Financial Services as the asset management group continues to woo cautious institutional investors into the wild west of digital assets. Boston-based Fidelity, which has about $2.8 trillion of assets under management, made clear last year it intended to take the plunge to offer digital asset services to Wall Street, where other regulated groups have held back from the marketplace. And so it's interesting, one, to note that Fidelity has $2.8 trillion of assets under management. And with Boston-based Fidelity making Bitcoin trading available on their platforms, all that's going to do is it's going to open up Bitcoin and open up cryptocurrency to a large influx of new institutional investments. And so this is an exciting time. We're going to see some exciting things up in the months and weeks and months ahead. Last month, Abigail Johnson, the investment group's chief executive, told the Financial Times that what had started as a just-for-fun experiments had become a serious drive to build up a viable crypto custody business for hedge funds, family offices, and financial advisor clients. Safekeeping of crypto assets has been a concern for institutional investors because exchanges have been plagued by outages and hacks. Prolific market manipulation and scams in the loosely regulated space have been a deterrent. Nevertheless, yield-hungry speculators have continued to flock to volatile crypto markets, while some are optimistic that Facebook's plan to spearhead the launch of its own digital currency, Libra, will further legitimize the space. The price of Bitcoin has risen this year from less than $4,000 at the beginning of the year to more than $8,000 today. So awesome news. We're really looking forward to when this happens. Here's another little piece of information I found on FX Street. Fidelity's crypto subsidy obtains trading license in New York, and I thought they had some interesting quotes. The custody and trade execution services that we provide are essential building blocks for institutional investors. Continued adoption of digital assets. The designation as a New York trust company under the supervision and examination of the DFS builds on the credibility and trustworthiness we're establishing among institution and other market participants. However, after financial giants including Fidelity and Intercontinental TD Ameritrade announced that they'd launched regulated Bitcoin trading products, experts predicted a mass influx of institutional capital into the crypto space. Tom Jessup, president of Fidelity Digital Assets, said in an interview, "We are seeing strong demand and greater diversity of client types. There are more traditional investors." Okay. When we started, it was crypto funds and hedge funds. So basically, a lot of traditional investors are starting to loosen up and become more and more interested in investing in cryptocurrencies, into Bitcoin and into other, digital assets. And so the future is really bright. The future is going to be fantastic. I hope that you get involved and that you're along for the ride. But in the meantime, how can I be of service to you? Do you have any questions or fears when it comes to cryptocurrency? Do you have anything that's holding you back from getting invested in cryptocurrency? Please ask the questions below. I'd love to help you any way that I can. I am not going to try and recommend that you let me manage your money. I'm not going to manage your cryptocurrency, but I'll help you get the information so that you can do that yourself, because it's actually rather simple. So how can I be of service to you? I would love to answer any questions that you have regarding cryptocurrency or any questions that you have regarding what I've said today. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you'd like to keep your questions private, you can use the Google form, and the information about and the link to get to the Google form is also below in the description below. In the meantime, I hope that you'll like, subscribe, and hodl. And always, please share this video with your friends that you think would enjoy it and find it useful. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a fantastic day.